Today we will discuss herring salad, typically served with bread, which also can be excellent starter for any fancy dinner. Its delicious flavor and vibrant color can even intrigue those normally skeptical about herring. The salad is very easy and quick to make, especially if you use cooked beetroot. First of all, we need to prepare the herring. I use mild brined herring with a smoky notes from Nordsee. I really love this particular one. Now it's time to cut herring into 2 centimeter wide slices. Then we will peel the onion and peel and core the apple. Now it's time to cut onion into small cubes, apple and pickles into medium-sized cubes. Traditionally, beetroot is cut into medium-sized cubes as well and mixed with the other salad ingredients. However, I am serving the salad as a starter, so I want it to look extra nice. Therefore, I cut the beetroot into half and then slice it. Then we will mix herring, onion, pickles, apple and the dressing ingredients in a small bowl. We're going to correct the seasoning once the salad is mixed by adding salt, pepper and sugar, exactly how you like it. To assemble the salad, I used the dessert ring. I know some of you were laughing when I used it to serve potato salad. Oh well, I love serving things decorated that way, so you have to live with it. I'm putting 4 to 5 tablespoons of salad into the ring. For this fancy look, I stuck a half slice of the beetroot to the edge of the salad. It doesn't stick well though, so be patient with it. So this is it, your starter is ready and I hope that you will enjoy it. Bye!